Good morning. My mom and I are here at the Kruger Rock Trailhead, located inside Hermit Park. And today, we're going to go for a Kruger Rock. I think we're looking at about 2 miles out with roughly a 900-foot elevation gain. And what's cool about this hike is even though we're starting out here at the Kruger Rock Trailhead, we're soon going to be entering the Roosevelt National Forest. And this part of the trail is all drone zone, baby. Official start time, 6:15. And this is a nice trail along here. And that is going to be Kruger Rock right there. That's where we're heading. And it is going to be a beautiful day. This is my mom's first hike back from being sick. She had that thing that lasts for like 10 days up to 2 weeks, where when you talk, you sound like RFK Jr. And this is a real nice trail, very well maintained. But then again, I mean, we did have to pay $10 to park in here, so it should be. Yeah, the first part of this hike is a little bit of a grinder. You got to go uphill. Cool. Coming up to a trail split here. What are we dealing with? Oh my God, they got these terrible Larimer County signs that nobody can read. I hate those. Cool, all right. See, we're right here. So as soon as we hit the corner right there, we're gonna be in the Roosevelt National Forest. We've only been hiking for about 19 minutes and we've knocked out this entire front stretch of the trail. We're getting ready to hit this big corner. And from here on out, we're gonna be in the Roosevelt National Forest, which is also the drone zone. Yeah, this is awesome. We are picking up a tiny bit of a breeze though. However, this shouldn't be a problem. This should not be a problem. That's looking down onto Estes Park. Wow. These drone shots from the top are gonna be amazing. It is a beautiful day today. Wow. And we're knocking this hike out. We're heading back to the south now. We have passed the Big Bend. And we're probably on the steepest part of the hike right here. from about 8,800 up to 9,000 is real steep, lots of switchbacks, but it should mellow out a little bit once we hit 9,000. And this is a beautiful trail out here too. This is really nice. All right, and we have come up and over 9,000 vertical feet, and the trail should get a little better from here on out. Yeah, we just did like 200 vertical feet in about 8 minutes. And we've just come up and over that high point where you can look over and see Kruger rock sticking up. And from that vantage point, it looks worse than it is. It's really not that bad. I think we'll be up there in like 15 minutes or so. And here, just below the summit of Kruger Rock, we've entered the burn area. Yeah, I think this was called the Hermit Park Fire. Not sure. This was supposedly caused by a downed power line. We're getting ready to hit this final set of switchbacks up to the top. And we're just about there, folks. I got the summit of Kruger Rock right behind me. Yeah, this is gonna be the last little flat spot before the scramble to the top. And this looks like a good spot to launch the drone. Now let's fly, baby. All right, guys, and in about an hour and 25 minutes, we've made it up here to the summit of Kruger Rock. And this is the very top. Awesome views. Nice job, high five. Boom, got it. And this is our view from the summit. We had to drop it down to escape the wind, but that's all right, because you know what time it is. It's tea time. Bloop. Yep, it's gonna burn. Look at that ingenuity. Middle name is MacGyver. And look at my mom's shoes.
Don't make fun of my shoes.
Those are the monkey shoes. And that's looking over at Twin Sisters, the Crags, Mount Meeker, and Long's Peak. And it is windy up here right now. Starting to pick up a little bit. And that's looking down at Estes Park and Lake Estes. Beautiful. And it is a beautiful day too. Perfect blue skies. And as I spin around, that's looking down at the Trailhead. And that's where we started from. Duh, that's what a trailhead is. All right, guys, it's 8:35, which means that we've been sitting up here for nearly an hour, but the wind is picking up, so it's time to go. It's time to head on back. Ooh, it's almost like we have to stem this through here.
I know.
Skills that we picked up in Utah. And this is the crux move right here. It's really not too bad though. All right, show us how it's done. Crux move.
With my monkey shoes.
Yep, she got the monkey shoes. Yeah, and that's how it's done, folks. And the good thing about this descent is that it is going to be like 98% downhill. We're taking it back down through the burned area, and we're almost out of it. And we've seen a handful of people out here, but not too many at all. It's been very nice. Got a hummingbird right here. Quit going around to the far side, nerdy little bird. There are two minor uphill sections on the way back, and we're just about done with the second one here. Whew. Yeah, I didn't even notice this on the way out. I'm like, we came down all these stairs and everything right here? Whew. All right, that should be the end of it. We're doing that last little 0.4 of a mile, and this didn't take us very long at all to get up here this morning. Yeah, that's a heck of a hike. Beautiful. And I feel like Kruger Rock is a little bit of a hidden gem as far as the hike goes. I mean, this trail is super well maintained. You get awesome views from the summit. Yeah, it's really good. I highly recommend it. Plus you can fly your drone up there and you can bring your dog. The only problem though is it does cost $10 to park in here. That's the current fee in 2024, 10 bucks. And we're back. It's just now 9:25 in the morning. We left down at 8:35, so that only took 50 minutes. We're looking at about 125 up, including all of the drone flights, and 50 minutes down. Beautiful hike. I highly recommend it. All right, Kruger Rock. Boom, got it. Well, we hope you enjoyed that hike. And until the next one, y'all, peace.